Good morning, good afternoon. It's a long holiday weekend, so I hope you're enjoying. We're getting set to get on the road with week number 3, which is going to focus on the rooms division in hotels. So last week we did talk about how hotels are developed, and then the first thing that happens in hotels is happening in the rooms division, and everything from the check-in process, even the reservation process, arriving to the hotel, making sure that the rooms are clean, and then loss prevention typically falls under the rooms division as well. Although this may vary based on the size of hotel, if all of the services are available. So I do hope that you'll enjoy learning a little bit more in depth about the front office, where that check-in process occurs, as well as guest services, which would typically be kind of the assistance with luggage to your room, PBX, which is the phone answering services that happens, business center, which happens in some hotels, and in others it's more of a self-serve. I think that with the move to technology being more mobile, people don't need a business center as much for printing, let's say, for example, boarding passes and things like that. However, if you're in a big hotel that caters to a lot of business, a lot of group, then you probably still have the need for a pretty substantial business center. Concierge, this is the kind of area in more so luxury hotels. Again, because of technology, a lot of people are able to Google and find the different attractions in a location that they're visiting. But the concierge is the professional on site in hotels that's able to really tailor the guest experience to ensure that they're making the most of their time in that area. Reservations, as I said, sometimes in larger, big corporate hotels, that might be an off-site reservation center that is handled for the entire company, or it may be that it's handled, directly with the people who answer the phone in a smaller mom and pop kind of operation. All of these tasks are going to need to get done. It just depends on the type of hotel, the classification of the hotel, as you saw, and if the volume that you're doing, if it's going to be done by individual departments or if it's one person that kind of handles everything. Then we move over to the housekeeping department, where we'll have an executive housekeeper or director of housekeeping, some management positions there. Sometimes in some areas there's contract cleaning. Sometimes there's laundry on site. Most hotels, for example, in San Francisco, because of the cost of the building and the land, it's usually more efficient for those particular hotels to not have the investment of all of the big laundry equipment and to be able to outsource it. I would caution you that you do need to have more towels, more sheets, more of everything if you don't have it in the building and you're waiting for it to be transported. And then loss prevention, safety and security, it's called a lot of different things. We'll explore that as well. So I do hope that you enjoy this week's focus on the rooms division, and I look forward to hearing your comments and any questions that you have. Thank you so much.